Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to see the recent subscribers you have on YouTube Studio. Let's say you have some recent subscribers to your channel and you want to see them, their names, how many subscribers they also have on their channel, and information like that. It's quite simple. On YouTube Studio, you tap on, you can use this YouTube Studio logo, just tap on it to open up the dashboard, or you click on this. Actually, I keep saying tap on. You click on this or you click on this to show you the dashboard. Let's say I want to go through this way. Give it a few seconds and to open up the dashboard, you see, and once you're there in the middle bar here, let's make it smaller. This is how to collapse the menu. Click on it, then here you can see recent subscribers in the last 90 days, and you can see the number of subscribers for their own channel too. It's as simple as that. If you want to see more, click on see all, and then you have access to all of them when they subscribe, the number of subscribers they have too. And if you also want to subscribe to them, you can click on the subscribe in front of them. So this is for the first row. You can see you can make it 30 or 50 in a row. Then you can go to the next page by clicking on this. As simple as that. So hope you found this video helpful.